Hey, welcome. I was waiting for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your weather strip outside of your door. As you can see, I'm having this problem, and you might have a problem, a similar problem. See this gap? We're gonna cover this gap with our weather strip. The first step that we're going to do is identify the type of weather strip that you need. In this case, we're gonna install the one that goes on the door frame, like on the exterior. We're gonna install it with screws. There are two common weather strips. One for the newer doors, you're gonna have on this section, it is going to have like a little gap. The weather strip, it is different than the one that we're going to install today. Once you go to your hardware store, you're going to find the two type of weather strips, and you'll choose the correct one for your door. In this case, we're going to install the one that goes on the exterior, and this is how you do it. What I always do, I always start from the top. I always measure and cut this section, and then I work my way down on the sides. So this is what you need to do. You're going to measure first the top section of your door. We need an exact measurement. So in this case, this door, it is 31 and 1/8. We're gonna cut it, and then we're gonna install it. Now that we cut it to the exact size, I'm going to show you this next tip. It is super important. Before installing your weather strip, you need to close your door, place your weather strip where it is going to go. In this case, it's gonna go like this. And now, this is the most important step. See this little gap right there? What you need to do is, before putting the first screw, you need to get your weather strip and push it to the door and create a little bit of pressure. Just push it and install your first screw. Don't create too much pressure that you're gonna push it extra. Just a little bit, and make sure that that gap, it is sealed. Now that we have our top section secure, we're gonna work on this side right here. We're going to do exactly the same. We're going to measure both sides, we're gonna cut them, and we're going to install them. Now that you have your piece cut to the side, just remember, put your piece, push it all the way up, and then create a little bit of pressure and put your first screw. Once you put your first screw, I'm going to show you the second tip. We have our first screw right there. It is holding our weather strip. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna be installing the screws, and then at the same time we're gonna be creating a little bit of pressure that way towards your door. And you're gonna do exactly the same on every single screw. You're gonna grab it with your hand and push it and drill it. Same with the next one. Grab it, push it, drill. Grab it, push it, drill. Once you install the three sections, just make sure, try your door, make sure that it opens and closes correctly, and you're done. And now we can see the final product. We don't have any more gaps there or any more gaps here, and that's it. If you like this video, click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thanks.